Okay, hello and good morning to Madam IT and my fellow friend here that is Praveen.
Hi, Afi.
Okay, Praveen, I want to ask you a question from the talk we just watched just now.
Yes, it was so
Ah.
interesting.
Okay, for you. The first question
Yes.
is that how do you define water conservation?
When the word water conservation runs in my mind, the first thing that appears is the effort to actually save water in daily, daily. All right. So,
Okay.
but the proper definition will be a practice of using water efficiently to actually reduce water consumption. That is the real definition. Yeah, that's the answer to your question.
Okay, do you have any question to ask?
I have a question. I'm sorry. Based on the the video just now too. The video actually mentioned, right, the situation that the situation after 9 years of water consumption in this world. So what do you think about that? What will actually happen in your view?
I think that later in next year, most country will have less water than average. So people will have water problem due to the water consumption that they daily use. So
You do?
I think due to like when they're brushing teeth, they left the water running, or they don't feed the leakage in their home.
Correct.
Okay.
So, to your question, next.
Okay. To me, I think I want to ask you, how do you think that conserving water is important?
I actually do think conserving water is important because, as you could see, every day we are actually using water to either have a shower, brush teeth, and also consuming by drinking water. So water actually plays an essential and important role in our life. So let's say if we don't conserve water, what will happen to the water then? We'll making it go to waste, and then we're not consuming it. So in the end, everything that we use in excessive will go to waste. So in probably 9 to 10 or to 20 years, we can actually predict it. Water will run out, and at that time, everyone will be regretting it because why we didn't want to conserve water. So water actually plays a ginormous role in our lives. So yeah, I hope that answers your question. Okay, so proceeding to my question, right? So you asked me about what is water conserving important, right?
Yeah.
So actually, can you elaborate on the methods of conserving water?
For me, I think the method of conserving water, we can use we can I just tell it just now that we lose water by brushing teeth without with the water still running. So how about we brush teeth, then while we brushing teeth, we close the tap so the water will not running. Then we fix the leak in our house so that the water will not drip from the pipe.
That's in a small scale.
Yeah.
Let's say if I give you a ginormous scale, a large scale, what are the methods are?
How about we do some campaign so that we remind people in the country about water usage of nowadays and what will happen in next 9 days. The 9 years.
Okay, that's a good answer. To actually add a method of conserving, we can actually. Okay, it's okay. I think we'll be answering Afik's next question.
Okay, my next question is: has technology nowadays efficient enough to conserve water?
I would not agree to it. It's not efficient enough, but it's already efficient. It's leading to the most efficient actually. So, water conserving has reached efficient ways because you could see in our daily appliances, electrical appliances these days, they are applying actually they are applying the method of saving water. In for instance, you can see in your washing machine that there are ways to actually save water when you wash your clothes, other than you piling up your clothes for 1 week and then washing it later. Okay, besides than that, we also have a lot of water saving tools. For instance, like do you know now? Do you know when you go to malls, the sink actually doesn't run when you on it. When you on it, it's actually censored. They have sensors on it. So whenever we put our hands on it, in it, the water will come out. So yeah, so that's actually a good way of saving water. And also we have these low consumption water toilets. So when you are when you are going to the toilet to do your business, you could actually save water from that too. So yeah, actually technology has been playing a good role in water conserving. And not forgetting about our technology in water reserves. You know water reserves, right? Water reserves in forests where we actually conserve raindrops. That is also a technological development. So that's all. That's, from my opinion, how technology has actually impacted on how is technology applied in water conservation.
Okay.
Alright. So I think we have
Time for one more question.
one last question,
Yeah.
right? So I would just like to ask you about what is the conclusion of our discussion here.
I think I can conclude that um, that water conservation is important, and nowadays people are trying to evolve to get the efficient way to conserve water. Most country, almost half of the country in the world have water problem. So I think we need to join hand and conserve water together.
Oh, right.
Okay, thank you.
That's all for our discussion today. So thank you, Afiq, and thank you to me for doing this discussion, and thank you, Medabiti, for listening. Thank you.